Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to present cards component in HTML form using with the help of Bootstrap. It's very simple and easy to apply like presenting the cards. This is an example. I'm going to displaying something around plans with the pricing. In my site, see, it's a quickly built with the effective price table of your potential customers to be displayed like using Bootstrap example. To extending this example, you will have wonders. You can create the presentation of your cards. Like see, the three cards here it is taken with the three titles. You can place it as in a title, very simple and pretty easy the pricing and the things what are the features are available with that product you can add here and like the button if the user is interested to buy or availing for the registration or to know more about this you can click here this button get started contact us and sign up. The three different variation options are available here to understand about your catalog or product display. It's a very super easy how it is. We'll see now with the code part of this. It's a very simple to take the cards to taking the card code from Bootstrap and take this part paste here. That's it. You will get the cards and information and you can make it as a customization of yourself. The class is card deck MB3 means it is displays three cards. And card body you have to call this class and this is the part you have to use for an independent cards. How it is we will see one by one from real-time web page. Go to the website of Bootstrap. Here you go to that part of components. Here you will identify the option of card. A simple example I have given you for to understand more about these cards. And here you can extend more and more. See, this is the one type of card. You can take this card code along with image also you can display over here. How it is displaying very super exciting. And this is the part of the code only. By taking one card of code, you can make it as a multiplies of the copy of the same thing and you will have n number of cards how many you want. And like see the component to like a content type if you want to make the body and text and links if you want like this you can take this is the part of the part only you can add there and you will get these links and the images if you want to make it more how you are going to be look like a group of the cards and see how it is featured along with the links the like a sub buttons and the links and the text and the title of the card and image all are together here and a header and footer for this card. You can make headers and footers. And scroll down featured cards and a quick response like see the feature 2 days ago how it is. Whatever you want to customize the card you can and sizing the cards. By using this thing it is a very simple how we are going to be applying like a calling predefined bootstrap framework. The thing is also it's applied here and a super exciting you see here like using custom css. Yes, it is possible to apply your custom classes as well and see the button where it should be look like three are the variations are there where you want to see you can and moreover the navigation along with this card and the see here the activation within the card also you can add the navigation bar and a full like image caps for the header image to be big you can see n number of the things are available here how you want to display the card it is showing left side image and right side text. This is the one of the type of image and colorful cards if you want to display you can like blue or gray green red web colors which is the color you want to present this using this and applying the colors you can have the colors multicolors also and the borders if you want to display like this with the color text. See, you just go through these card options whatever the card you want n number of cards are available here, and with the different variations. What you do is just simply take the code of that lines, take to your HTML form and apply. You will really enjoy a lot. Moreover, you want to like display the card information by making such type of product information, or along with the products you want to display all the component of card component, it will be used here. I hope you are familiar to how to use these cards, and knowing about these cards, practice well and gain more. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.